Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Can you please tell me your name?
My name is Lokendra Rawat, sir.
Where are you from?
I come from district Assam, Nepal.
How old are you?
26 years, sir.
Are you married or single?
I am married.
Do you have any children?
One children, sir.
What is your religion?
Hindu, sir.
What is your academic qualification?
Academic qualification high 10 plus 2 passed.
What work experience do you have?
I have 2 years experience as a dishwasher in Nepal
Why do you want to come Romania?
to earn money and to family support, sir.
Okay, how long do you want to stay in Romania?
5 years.
Do you know anybody in Romania?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.